Managing travel expenses is a universal headache for businesses, a chaotic mix of receipts, rules, and manual data entry. But what if your streamlined system like Xero has a built-in weakness? It lacks native spend policies, making it hard to enforce expense limits. Yet Xero is famous for its snap and save receipt feature, beloved by employees on the road for its sheer simplicity. Meanwhile, MYOB is built like a fortress for Australian tax compliance, prioritizing regulations from the ground up. This isn't just a feature list. We're breaking down the strategic choice across three key battlegrounds: field data capture, compliance, and scalability. Let's start in the field. Xero's mobile app is purpose-built for users on the move. A standout feature is automated mileage tracking. Just input start and end points, and the app calculates the distance. Speed extends to approvals. Managers get instant alerts and claims flow directly into the accounting ledger for real-time visibility. So with these tools, Xero seems like the obvious choice for any traveling team, right? But what happens when that data gets back to the office? MYOB takes a different approach, especially in its advanced tiers. It relies on deep integrations with specialized tools for OCR and mileage tracking. This brings us to the crucial battleground of compliance and control. Capturing data is easy. Making sure it's the right data is hard. So why does Xero's famous user-friendliness sometimes create a compliance nightmare? The answer lies in one small, optional text box. In Xero, the description field for an expense is optional. This means employees often leave it blank, submitting a receipt for a meal with no context. What this means is finance teams can't determine tax deductibility without chasing the employee, which may be compounded by a lack of spend policies. This internal control issue is separate from government rules. The ATO requires a travel diary for any trip over 6 nights, regardless of your software. So, a pattern emerges. Xero prioritizes employee convenience, potentially creating more work for finance. Does your business need simplicity or control? For a business with international travel, Xero is often the clear winner. Its native multi-currency support automatically handles conversions. But for a domestic construction firm, MYOB is purpose-built. Its job costing ties travel expenses directly to specific projects and even timesheets. This goes even deeper. MYOB's inventory management lets you link travel to stock activities, giving granular reporting that Xero can't match natively. This brings us back to our question. Xero's simplicity creates compliance gaps because it was designed as a beautiful, general accounting engine. The choice reflects your business DNA. Are you scaling internationally or deepening project profitability? If you need both, the ecosystem is the decider. This is Xero's ultimate advantage, its vast app marketplace. With over 1,000 third-party integrations, the flexibility is enormous. MYOB's ecosystem is smaller but features deeper integrations, like automatic nudge notifications to chase up approvals and improve workflow. Remember Xero's lack of spend policies and mandatory fields? You can solve this with an app, but that adds another subscription and layer of complexity. The question becomes, do you want a flexible hub-and-spoke model like Xero, or a more integrated all-in-one system like MYOB? Let's synthesize Xero's true strength. Combine its best-in-class mobile capture with its powerful machine learning bank feeds. The result is a system built for speed and global scalability. It prioritizes user adoption and relies on its ecosystem to fill in the control gaps. Now let's synthesize MYOB's identity. Combine its deep native job costing with its baked-in, rigorous compliance framework. This paints the picture of a fortress. It prioritizes granular financial control and regulatory adherence for complex domestic businesses. The choice is philosophical. Xero is a flexible hub you build upon. MYOB is a structured fortress. Both are protected by strong security. So, how do you choose? It's time for the final verdict based on your business type. Choose Xero if your priority is empowering your team in the field with the easiest tools. If you operate internationally and value a flexible tech stack. Choose MYOB if your business is project-heavy, needs granular job costing, and requires deep, out-of-the-box compliance and control. The best tool isn't about which software has more features. It's about which software's core philosophy matches your company's operational DNA. Now we want to hear from you. Based on this breakdown, what's your business type and which platform seems like the right fit? Share your choice below.